everybody. I wanted to take a few minutes just to check in and make sure that I cover an important promotion that I have coming up. So we are getting ready to enter into the astrological new year with the spring equinox coming up on March 20th. We officially go into Aries season, which is the beginning of the astrological new year. And this feels like an important time for me to do some kind of a promotion. Those of you that watch my channel are usually very connected to things like energy and spirituality and angels and the metaphysical and personal development, because I really feel like my content encompasses all of those things. So I wanted to highlight for you guys my Clarity by Christy membership that I have that's all about all of these things, right? It's really for my students of the universe. It's for my energy sensitive, my earth angels, the light workers of this world, all of those people who are needing some extra support on their journey. It was actually something that was created because my soul therapy schedule, my personal individual sessions with people got so booked that I knew that I needed to offer something. I wanted to be able to continue to offer something to people. And so the membership was created, and the membership was created to provide you with all of the tools that you need and the information that you need and the classes that you need in order to make the most of the energy that we have going on and to make the most of this life and what you have going on here in this life. So I offer all kinds of different things in my membership. I offer monthly energy readings and tarot readings where we're taking a look at what's coming up in the month, what are some important dates, what are some important astrological events, what's going on with the energy, and what messages the angels have for us so that we can have a bird's eye view of what the month looks like, what we need to know, and how we can best navigate that month. We also have 2 energy sessions a month. So there's a monthly energy session that you can use all throughout the month. And then there is a full moon energy session that I put up right around that full moon when the energy tends to be at its most intense. And these energy sessions are meant to be like a guided meditation, but they are infused with energy. So what I do is I actually do a full energy session. I spend a little time talking about what's going on in the energy or guiding the process of what it is that we're going to be doing in the energy session. And then the rest of the time is you guys receiving the energy, listening to the calming and peaceful music, and letting yourself come into balance, clear what needs to be cleared, and to balance whatever it is that needs to come back into balance. So it can be a really powerful experience. I always have those every single month and every single full moon just to help keep your energy in check. If you are somebody who is energy sensitive, these are incredibly helpful to you, and it's a really great way to maintain your energetic hygiene, essentially. We also have a monthly group sesh where we are checking in and we're covering important topics. Right now, a big focus of the topics is our A Course in Miracles overview, because we have been studying A Course in Miracles since the beginning of the year. And A Course in Miracles, if you're not familiar with it, is an incredibly powerful book. We are focusing on reading from this book and connecting with the lessons and exercises from this book every single day throughout 2023. So this is a really powerful thing, and this isn't something that you have to wait on or that you have to have jumped on at the beginning of the new year. This is something that you can get started with right now. I have everything recorded. I have everything set up so that you can start today if you want to with that study and jump in and study with us and join us on this journey of releasing ourselves, of setting ourselves free here in this world and connecting with that energy that is divine love and releasing ourselves from fear. So it's really incredibly powerful. So our group sessions once a month focus a lot on what it is that we're learning there in A Course in Miracles, but the group sessions are meant to be whatever it is that you guys want it to be. So it is an opportunity to jump in, to ask your questions, or to send me your questions if you're not able to be there live, because I always post the replay afterwards so that we can cover the kinds of things that you want to cover in my membership. There are also all kinds of meditations and tools and hypnosis sessions and classes And it's just this ever-growing library of resources to help you on your soul's divine journey. So if you want to check that out, I'm offering that for only $5.99 here for the next month around this spring equinox. Check that out at claritybychristy.com. I will put the link down below, and I will put that promo code down below as well. So I hope that you'll join us, and take care. Bye.